Sri Racha, what a beautiful town. Why don't we see Sri Racha down by the sea?
Okay, Sri Racha, Thailand, and we have a night market. Check this out behind me. We have food. We have the things that people love about Thailand. A lot of people love the night markets. It's kind of throughout all the cities in Thailand pretty much, as far as I know, especially where tourists go. And Sri Racha has one too. So this is one that's near the shopping mall. So I'm gonna go into the shopping mall as well and give you a little sample of that. But I have lots of other Sri Racha videos coming up, and they're all gonna be linked down below. So I also have that mall that's gonna be in a future video coming up. So just subscribe and you can catch that in the next, I'll try to put one Sri Racha one every week for the next 7 or 8 weeks for the next couple months. So you can see more of that, and let's just get right into this night market, because I know that you want to see it and I want to see it again too, so I'm going to be watching with you. Sri Racha, Thailand. Okay, we're in Sri Racha. So it looks like right over there is something called Pacific Park. KFC, McDonald's, cinemas, MK restaurants, and a few other ones. And we have this walking street right here that we're gonna go down in a moment. We got some food. And it looks like it's also called SI RACHA Nakhon. I think that might be the name of the street. And then we also have this kind of major street. This goes all the way down. If you go straight down this way, it goes to Pattaya, about 30 minutes. There's Common Cake. It's like other stores up on this main one. I think that's okay, you can go across the street over that overpass. So we're going to go down along Pacific Park, see what it looks like in the evening time. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're in Sri Racha, and we're going to kind of see what's all in here. Looks kind of tasty. Got different sauces in here. So it looks like we also have some stuff up that way too. Cafe Amazon. Let's just walk up this way briefly. And there's a mall right here, Pacific Park. Looks like they got all kinds of food stuff outside of it. Tops restaurant, wine collection. Okay. Could walk up and down this whole thing too. Maybe we should, I guess. So we'll just see what's all out here, and then we're gonna go down our other street. Yeah, looks like we got a lot of good foods here. They also have Japanese sushi too. Okay. Mangoes. Okay, so we're gonna navigate through a little bit. Hello. Looks pretty tasty as well. So we got a lot of tasty looking food here. A lot of snacks. Watermelon. Pretty tasty too. Fish, pad thai. This actually goes down quite a ways. Cold drinks. So let me just see here. So it looks like we keep on going down. Oh, it keeps it cold. Nice. Huh. Okay, so let me just kind of take a look here. Minivans. So if we keep on going down, there's also a Robinson Mall as well. I think what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna come around. I'm gonna go down the other one. Actually, my goal was to go down that other street. Let's work my way that way. So So this is in Sri Racha. Oh, that looks pretty tasty right there. I just ate a little while ago, so got some really good looking food here. Fish. These sauces look really good too. Sandwiches. It's like a pudding. Fresh mango. That fresh mango probably tastes so good. So a little taste of Sri Racha, Thailand. We're right up against the shopping mall. And my goal was to go down this street. Okay, so we're gonna go down this street. So we're kind of not too far from the main street. The main street is where we started at right there. But we're gonna be going down this kind of food street. And Pacific Place is right there too. Pacific Park. I got duck. Okay. Let's kind of go to the side here. It's a Wednesday right now. Wednesday evening, and it's maybe about 8 p.m. Okay, let's go up. Got more foods on both sides. I think we're gonna stick to this side though. It smells good. Fresh. Okay. Here we got some candy over here. Hello. They got chicken. Let's see what else they got. Wow, this is it's like ramen, but fresh drinks, fresh juice. So it looks like this is still Pacific Park. So we're basically along Pacific Park right in this space. Looks like this goes down quite a ways. Let me just walk into this real quick. We're like right here by the so we got a pizza company up there. It's a Daiso in here as well. Huh. Let's walk down briefly. Got a bookstore, book center. Robinson, Daiso, ice cream. All kinds of cool stuff. Oh, they even got pretzels here too. Dang. Okay, well, Chester's. Chester's has pretty good, I don't know if it's like Western food intentionally. They got all kinds, I guess. We have a steak in there somewhere that's... There's a Thai restaurant. Kanzai sushi. Japanese. So I am gonna angle over towards this and Annie, then we're gonna head on out, but I just wanted to show you what's in here. Actually have Annie is in here, so you can get some pretzels. Kind of American style, but everywhere in Thailand too. Almost everywhere. Okay, so that would go back outside to where we started at, but we're gonna go back this way. Chester's, Black Canyon, Dunkin' Donuts, and we're gonna just navigate back outside, and then we'll continue on. But there's a lot to see up here. Huh. There's even Dairy Queen. There's all kinds of stuff up here. I'll have to explore this. Another one. Santa Fe. Kind of got everything in here. Sri Racha seemed like a pretty self-contained little town. Okay, so now we're back out in this space here. So let's navigate back into those crowds. So I guess we had all food that direction, and this direction would be clothing. Alright. So we got swimsuits. We're not too far from Pattaya, so. And looks like this is going to follow the whole mall. So it looks like they basically have the outside part for small business, which is great. So we're gonna go just a little bit further. See where this ends up. So I got a lot to film in Sri Racha. There's a lot of cool stuff everywhere. So now we're just out at this. So it looks like there's a little bit more, but that's the Pacific place. And we're gonna end the video as soon as we go past here. Oh, it looks like it just keeps on going down. Got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Huh. Well, you got more stuff. I guess that's the parking garage over there, so we're still kind of... Oh, okay. So it looks like it's gonna end for this spot. And then there's more stuff down there way too. But I'm gonna end this video just because I'd just be going all day if I didn't. Cinemas, Cafe Amazon. Okay, so this is this outdoor market next to Pacific Place.